how to enable or disable virtualization technology in HP ZBook. This is Firefly 14 G7 HP ZBook. So how to enable or disable hardware virtualization technology in this machine. So first of all, you need to enter in the BIOS menu. So if you don't know, I will show you from the beginning how you can easily enter in the BIOS, and then we can do it other settings. So first of all, I will turn it off. Now I will turn it on again. Now you need to press F10 from the keyboard. F10, you can see, just keep pressing F10 when you press the power button. So just wait few seconds. As you can see, it is showing entering setup menu. So now we are in the BIOS menu. Now you will see here security options, and then you will see advanced. Now in the advanced you will see system options, and in system options you can easily check here. This is enabled virtualization technology VTX, and there is another one VTD. So you can from here just simply click on that, and then you can simply press F10 from the keyboard. F10 for the saving and exit. Just press after the checking, click press F10 and then click on yes, and you are done. So this is how easily you can do it.